Look, you are 82-127 at the front of the train. Oh, it's busy tonight. I've seen a bit when this 1850 Great Anglia to Norwich from London Liverpool Street departs Stowmarket. Seen a bit. Slowly getting ready to depart now. It's 82-127, forming the 1850 Great Anglia to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. That was at the front of the train. 82-127 off to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. Just leaving Stowmarket now.
Please stand back.
And then we've got our 1857 past. Come on, boy. Let's find out what number at the rear of this. You are a 90. .0013 at the rear of the train.